Hey guys, we received this Royal Woodcraft bamboo wrap organizer for test and try. So you can see this comes in a nice box. So basically this is for your kitchen when you have aluminum foil or a plastic wrap and you want to organize this in the kitchen and then with the cutter and everything. So this is a really nice wood, premium wood quality wrap organizer. Let me just take this out and show you the quality and everything. So this one is made of wood and it's nice quality wood and then is a magnetic thing that goes on the corner. There are also the sticker here that you can see and there are the screws if you want to put it on the wall or anything. So here also like you can use this screws and this can be on the wall. So this will save some space and you can directly use it. And this is the foil or wherever like you want to put these stickers in, and there's a magnetic thing that will goes here so that your foil will not come or fall down. So now let me just see like this is the aluminum foil and I am just putting in here. So there is an inbuilt cutter you can just put on the top of it, close this box, and then if you want to just cut whatever you want to cut, you can just take up the size, and there is an inbuilt cutter very smooth and sliding, and then you can just cut this along with this cutter, and there's a slice thing that you can use. So very nice organizer, and with the inbuilt cutter and everything you can use two together and have fun with that.